The window we're replacing today is an older GGL8 center pivot roof window installed into interlocking tiles. The first stage is to remove the glazed sash from the existing roof window, before stripping the roofing material and then removing the flashings from around the window frame. Then, the frame of the original window is taken out. If you're reusing the original lining, the frame should be positioned so the lining is located within the frame rebate and secured with the brackets. You'll need to use the brackets supplied with the EW flashing. Where possible, retain insulation in the space between the window frame and roof structure. If no insulation is present, it's recommended to insulate the space between the window frame and roof structure to reduce any energy loss from the inside of the building. The next stage is to fit the flashing that goes around the window along with the window profiles. Because we're keeping the existing lining, the replacement window will be installed above its normal installation height, which requires a deeper flashing. In this case, flashing EW for tiles. The tiling is then replaced and completed. The sash can now be replaced. Position it in the frame opening and engage the sash and frame hinges. As the window is closed, the pins automatically re-engage to hold the sash in place. Your new VELUX roof window is now fully installed, weathertight and ready for use.